Okay, so the algebra, I'm confident you guys could all do that. You exchanged your x and y, you took the square root of both sides, and then subtracted 1. And note, this one's different. This -1 is outside of the root. So we've got our root function, and we've shifted it 1 down. So here's our inverse, but why am I not putting the other side? Because I want my inverse to be a function, so I restricted my original domain. This is what the parabola looked like. Shifted 1 unit to the left. Here's my axis of symmetry at -1. So I had to restrict my domain x bigger than -1. So I'm just looking at this branch of it. I don't want it to turn around and come back up and not be 1 to 1. So how do I get the new domain and range? Old range is the new domain. Old domain is the new range. Okay, let's do this one together. It's a different kind of problem that comes up here. Look at your original function. It's a square root function. So it's a square root function, and it's been shifted 3 up and 6 units to the right. So square root function 3 up, 6 to the right, it starts here and looks kind of like that. What's the domain of that original function? The x's are bigger than or equal to 6, aren't they? Otherwise, you'd be taking the square root of a negative. And your range of your function, y greater than equal to 3. It just keeps opening up. Okay, so here you've got your original function, y equals the square root of x minus 6 under the root plus 3. And here is our inverse. X equals the square root of x minus 6 plus 3. Thank you. Y. Okay, so let's isolate the radical, subtract 3 from both sides. And now we're going to square both sides. So I get x minus 3 all squared is equal to y minus 6. Add 6 to both sides, and here's my inverse function. Y is equal to x minus 3 all squared plus 6. However, this isn't the parabola that opens up with a vertex at 3, 6. This is only half of the parabola that opens up with a vertex at 3, 6. X is 3, y is 6. And it's this half because the domain is x greater than equal to 3, and the range is y greater than equal to 6. Okay, so I'm only getting this part of it. I'm not getting that part because I don't let the x's get smaller than 3. So if I want the inverse of this, there it is there. Okay, this is a one-to-one function, so it's easy. Could you do it yourself, please?